Hey there, gang, and welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Giggs here, and today's message, hit the delete button. Folks, our minds are similar to that of a computer. Your subconscious mind is the hard drive, and the software are those thoughts and thinking that goes on day to day that governs your life. Let me explain. If a computer, your subconscious mind, is contaminated, then chances are your software will not run efficiently or properly. So what we need to do is tell the hard drive, your subconscious mind, how you want it to operate by repairing the software. What's the software? The software is your thoughts. It's what you focus on every single day, that you plant into your mind, the things you see and look at, hear. That's software. And then your hardware, which is your conscious mind and subconscious, is going to store that, and then you're going to speak and act based on it. If your life is not working out the way you would like it to, then what you and I need to do is reprogram the software, i.e., our thinking. Our life follows our thoughts. So, some of us in this room need to simply hit the delete button, which is all that negative programming that's causing us our problems. For instance, we say things like, I'm not sure I'm going to make it. Delete. No one in my family ever succeeded big. Delete. Chances I won't make it either. Delete. There's no way I can earn the kind of money that Giggs is talking about. Delete. There's no way my company is ever going to give me a delete. Folks, the only problem that you and I have is that our software is contaminated because our thinking too often is very negative with a wrong mindset. This is why every day I wake up programming my hard drive by reading, thinking, and depositing good thoughts, such as today is going to be an incredible day. Thoughts like, I will achieve every goal I set out to achieve today and every day. I will see the good in every perceived bad situation. This is good programming, just like on your computer. When you don't like what you see or don't want that computer to give you that feed, hit the delete button. Same is true for us. Hit that delete button, gang, on all those wrong mindsets and attitudes. And when you do it and you reprogram it for good thoughts, guess what happens? You know it. Best life ever. Thanks for joining me, gang, and we'll see you in tomorrow's broadcast. Bye-bye.